How to use an Aqua Pilot Vaporizer. Step 1. Gather all materials. Battery, heating base, mouthpiece, water attachment, metal dabber/cap, charging wire, dabs. Step 2. Charge the battery. Plug the battery into a USB port. The red light indicates the battery is charging. Once the battery is fully charged, the red light will turn off. Step 3. Fill the water attachment. Add enough water to cover the slits on the glass. Step 4. Do a dab and enjoy. Screw the heating base onto the battery. Press the button 5 times to turn on the vaporizer. Place a dab onto the atomizer. Add the water attachment. Place the dabber upside down onto the water attachment. Press and hold the button while inhaling. The vaporizer will heat up to 480 degrees in 4 seconds and continue to heat up to the maximum temperature of 840 degrees after 13 seconds. For on-the-go use the regular mouthpiece. Now you are the pilot master.